Today I want to share with you an easy way to add these captions to your video for free. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin, and today I want to talk about captions. Whether you're making a short film or an internet video like I am, captions or subtitles can help you tell your story. Why would you bother putting these words under your video? There are many reasons. Maybe the person watching your video is in an important business meeting and can't hear your audio, or maybe they just can't speak your language. It is said that closed captioning on videos not only boosts engagement, it also boosts retention. On a study done by Apply Media, they found that videos without subtitles have a completion rate of 66%, compared to videos with subtitles with a completion rate of 91%. That's the equivalent of going from a D- to an A+ with a small fix. Now, who wouldn't want that? There is a difference though between captioning and subtitling. Captioning is assuming your audience cannot hear you, while subtitling is assuming your audience cannot understand you. So for example, this is subtitling. Ha. As you can see, one is mere dialogue and the other one is more descriptive. The style you choose is up to you, but for today I'm just going to talk about the transcribing of dialogue in your videos. There are many services out there that transcribe your audio into captions, but you would probably want to spend your money elsewhere, like those cinnamon sugared covered churros at Costco. In that case, let me show you an easy way to get the bulk of the work done automatically. Once you finish editing your video, temporarily mute any music tracks or sound effects you have going on. Then open up a Google document. Under Tools, there should be an option for voice typing. Point your microphone at your computer speaker, start up the voice typing feature, and press play in Premiere, and then just wait. After your video has completed, you would now have a 95% accurate transcription of your video's audio. The rest of the 5%, well, would be you manually going in and correcting all the your to your. From there, you can choose to add the captions to your video in Premiere, or you can just import it all into YouTube and let them sort out the timing for your video. I'll keep it short. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.